Good morning, respected parents and my dear students. How are you all? Today, we are going to discuss grade 4 science block number 2. The name of the block is uses of plants. In the previous block, we have read about the flowers, and the flowers also we used to get from the plants. So now, when I was sitting in the morning, I felt hungry. So I went into my kitchen and I made my favorite paratha. My favorite paratha is chili paratha, and it was too yummy. I had one spare to eat it later. See, a lot of chili. So many. And I had this paratha with the help of tomato ketchup. Now my question is that this paratha was made with the help of only chilies or something else I need to make it. Respected parents, it's a humble request. Whenever I am going to ask any question from a child, please do not give the answer to them. Let your child think. So मेरा क्वेश्चन ये था कि जो मैंने ये पराठा बनाया है, क्या वो पराठा सिर्फ मिर्ची से बना था या उसमें मैंने कुछ और डाला है? क्या इंग्रेडिएंट्स मैंने यूज करे? ओके, चिली तो है ही. The second one is the salt. Okay. Next one is the flour, यानी आटा. Okay, बनाया. Then घी के लिए I use refined. Okay. And next is the tomato ketchup जो मैंने उसके साथ खाई. Now my next question is flour, आटा हमें कहाँ से मिलता है? फ्लोर किससे बनता है? गेहूं से. और गेहूं कहाँ लगते हैं? पेड़ों पे. ओके. व्हाट अबाउट चिलीज? चिली कहाँ लगती है? चिली का क्या होता है? पेड़. ओके, प्लांट. यस, प्लांट. ओके, व्हाट अबाउट सॉल्ट? क्या सॉल्ट भी पेड़ पे लगता है? जाओ रे, नमक का पेड़ है, तोड़ लाओ नमक. और कहीं और से मिलता है हमें? यस, वी गेट सॉल्ट फ्रॉम द सी वाटर. यस. ओके, व्हाट अबाउट द ऑयल? रिफाइंड. हम पराठा बनाने के लिए हम घी भी यूज करते हैं. We use the butter also. The ghee and the butter we use to get from the animals. Like दूध में से आता है, दही में से निकलता है. But what about the refined? मैंने refined जो यूज किया वो sunflower वाला था. And sunflower is a flower that is of the plant. So today our topic is topic number 1, that is plants provide food. है ना? Next is the aim. The aim is that we have to group the food giving plants into different categories. Means हमें food item जो plant से मिलते हैं उनको हम अलग अलग categories में डालेंगे. Okay. Now my next question is that suppose in morning you went in the kitchen. Okay. And you saw that all the things made up of plant have vanished. Means all the things जो सारी चीजें प्लांट से बनी है वो सारी गायब हो गई और आपको उस टाइम बहुत जोर की भूख लग रही है. So what will you have in the breakfast at that time? और फिर कुछ बाद जब आप लंच का टाइम होगा तब आप क्या खाओगे? And what you will have in the dinner? Think of it. ओके. अगर आपकी जगह मैं होती और ऐसा मेरे साथ होता तो मॉर्निंग में आई वुड लाइक टू हैव लॉट ऑफ मिल्क. मैं खूब मिल्क पीती. चीनी डालती, बट चीनी भी वी गेट फ्रॉम द प्लांट ओनली. तो ओके, सो मैं दूध पीती, खूब दूध पीती, 2-3 ग्लासेस पियाती. नेक्स्ट फॉर द लंच आई वुड लाइक टू हैव लॉट ऑफ कर्ड. दही पीती मैं. ओके. अब आई रात की बारी. फॉर द डिनर एज आई एम नॉन वेज तो आई कैन हैव द एग्स. तो मैं एग खा सकती हूँ. सो एग्स के लिए आई विल नॉट मेक ऑमलेट बिकॉज ऑमलेट नीड्स चिली ऑल्सो एंड लॉट ऑफ अनियंस ऑल्सो. सो आई विल गो फॉर द बॉइल्ड एग. है ना? सो मेरा आज का कोटा पूरा. फॉर द नेक्स्ट डे अगेन आई विल हैव द Same problem कि what to eat in the morning, what to eat in the lunch and what to eat in the dinner. Problem आती. और जो नॉन वेज है नहीं है उनके लिए और प्रॉब्लम है कि वो तो एग भी नहीं खा सकते थे. अब इसी के बेस पे वी आर गोइंग टू डू वन एक्टिविटी. ठीक है. द एक्टिविटी इज दैट यू हैव टू मेक अ टेबल विच आई एम गोइंग टू शो यू. आपने एक टेबल बनाना है. उस टेबल में देयर आर 2 कॉलम्स, कॉलम एंड रो. कॉलम में आपने क्या करना है, डिशेस के नाम है और रो में आपके इंग्रेडिएंट्स है. ठीक है. सो आपने क्या करना है, आपने अपनी 5 फेवरेट डिशेस लिखनी है. ठीक है. कितने लिखने, 5 फेवरेट डिशेस. और फिर आपने लिखना है वो डिशेस बनाने के लिए कौन कौन से इंग्रेडिएंट्स यानी कौन कौन सी सामग्री लगी. लाइक फॉर एग्जाम्पल like egg curry. ठीक है. Suppose if I'm going to make egg curry, then I need the onions, the tomatoes, the salt, the water, and the egg and chili. So these are the ingredients which I need to make the egg curry. Okay. So like this you have to do the activities. So this is the table which you have to draw in your notebook, right? Here you will write the dishes name. जो आपको आपकी फेवरेट या आपको जो पसंद है खाना आप उनके नाम लिखोगे. लाइक आलू पराठा, राजमा राइस, येलो राइस. It's up to you. Okay. And here you will write the ingredients, right? Like for example, if aloo paratha I wrote here, so I will be writing the ingredients of aloo paratha. Like इसको बनाने के लिए I need the aloo means potato. Next I need the flour, आटा. Next I need the salt, नमक. Next oil. Oil लिख सकते हैं. You can write the butter or you can write the ghee also. That is up to you. Then I will be writing the chili, right? लिखने के बाद पूरा table you have to fill. After that you have to circle the ingredients that we get from the plants. And it is a request that please students don't circle with a pencil. Just circle with a different type of color. You can use a sketch pen or you can use a pencil color. For example, in this, the things that we get from the plant are aloo, potato, then the flour, and then the chili. And next last one is the oil. Oil, if you are writing the oil, so oil देख लेना सोयाबीन है या groundnut है या sunflower है, that we get from the plant. But if it is ghee or so you will not write, you will not circle it. Next, after circling it, then you will have to write the groups. There are some groups, like one group is vegetable, then next is the fruits, next is spices, next is nuts, pulses, beverages, oil, cereals, milk and sweets. You will write all those downside it. And then you just have a look. The activity I have done. In the same manner, respected parents, please help your child in doing the activity. Right? Dishes वाले column में they have to write their favorite dish. And here they will write the ingredients, वो सामग्री जिससे वो डिश बनती है. देन उनको सर्कल लगाना है कि कौन सा इंग्रेडिएंट है जो हमें प्लांट से मिलता है और कौन सा नहीं. एंड देन दे हैव टू राइट द ग्रुप्स अंडर इट. वेजिटेबल ग्रुप, देन स्पाइसेस यानी मसाले, पल्सेस, नट्स, स्वीट, ऑयल, फ्रूट, सीरियल्स. मिल्क इसका पार्ट नहीं होगा बिकॉज मिल्क हमें बफलो या काउ से मिलता है. मैंने इसलिए लिख दिया बिकॉज यहाँ पे कुछ इंग्रेडिएंट ऐसे हैं जो मिल्क में आ सकता है. देन बेवरेजेस एंड द हर्ब्स. सो लेट डिस्कस. Like I wrote the chili paratha. For chili paratha we need the flour, atta, chili and refined. Refined, if you are using of mustard, if you are using of soybean, so that will be circled because soybean and the mustard is also part of a plant. Okay. Then salt and water. And salt and water are not the part of a plant. We don't get these items from the plants. Next is the egg curry. For egg curry we need eggs. Eggs we used to get from the hen. Okay. Then the water, then the salt, onion, tomatoes, chili and oil. Onion, tomato, chili and oil are the food item that we get from the plant. Next is the rajma. Rajma, the vegetable. Here we need rajma, or we can call it a kidney beans. Then onion, tomatoes, chili, oil, salt, and cumin. Cumin means jeera, and jeera also we used to get from plant, and it is a spice, masala hai ye. Next is the bread pakoda. For bread pakoda we need a bread. Bread can be of flour bread जो आटे की होती है, and it can be of मैदा also. मैदा को we called refined flour. Next is the salt, chili, and gram flour means besan. Okay, and gram also we get from the plant. gram हम चने को बोलते हैं. Next is the aloo paratha. For aloo paratha, we need the potatoes, aloo, we need chili, we need salt, we need flour, we need water and oil. And these potato, chili, flour and oil we used to get from the plants. If you're writing ghee over here, ghee or butter, then you will not circle, because ghee we used to get from the milk, or we used to get from the curd, and they are the part of a milk, and the milk we used to get from the buffalo or cows. After filling the table, then you will write the groups names like vegetables, spices, pulses, nuts, sweets, oil, fruits, cereals, beverages and herbs. Then you will see which the circle part which will come in which group. Like flour. Flour means the atta, and atta we used to get from the wheat. So wheat with the cereal. यहाँ पर अगर आप wheat या कुछ ऐसी चीज लिखते हो जो राइस से बनी हुई है, for example yellow rice or the kheer, then rice will also come in the cereal column. Cereal column में we have the wheat, rice, barley and millets. बाजरा, गेहूं, जौ और चावल. They will come in the cereal. Next, the chili. Green chili will come in vegetable group, and if it is powdered form, then it will come in the spices. Refined, if the refined is made up of the soya bean, mustard or the groundnut, then it will come here. But sometimes the people who are non-veg, they use the fish oil also, then it will not come in the oil column. Next is the salt and water. Salt and water are not the food products from which we get from the plants. Next is the egg curry. Egg curry, eggs we used to get from hen, so we don't get these from the plants. Water also and salt also. These three things we don't get from the plants. Next, the onion. Onion is a vegetable. It will come here. Next, the tomato. Tomato is also a food that we get from the plant. Actually, we use the tomato as a vegetable, right? But the tomato is a family of fruit. Next, the chili, as I told earlier, the oil. Chili and the oil. Next, have a look towards the rajma. Sabji, rajma vegetable. Here we need rajma or kidney beans. The rajma is a type of pulse, so we'll be writing in pulse. Next, the onion. Onion is a vegetable. Tomato, chili, spices or the vegetable. Oil in the oil column, and salt in, it will not be writing any column. Then the cumin. Cumin is jeera. Jeera is a spice, so we'll be writing the cumin and spices. Next, the bread pakoda. Bread pakoda. For bread pakoda, we need the bread, flour. Bread can be made up of flour, or it can be made up of refined flour. Flour होता है आटा, और refined flour होता है मैदा. Salt will not come in any column. Chili, हरी मिर्ची, or red, gram flour यानी बेसन, and the aloo paratha, potato, chili, salt, flour and oil. So potato will come in the vegetable column and as shown in the table. It's time for an amazing fact. Are you ready? Now look at this. What is this? A potato. Now I'm going to tell you an amazing fact regarding this. Do you know? The first plant that was taken to space for growing was potato, and it was taken in 1996 in the Space Shuttle Columbia. I hope you all have done the activity in the same manner. Let's move towards our questioning part. What ingredients do you get from plants to make the different dishes or food items? The ingredients that we get from plants are flour, chili, refined oil, onion, tomato, then rajma, then gram flour, potato. How many groups could you make? I made 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 groups, but in 6 group only there were the ingredients. The next question, what are different groups into which food giving plants can be stored? The first group is vegetables. Here we have vegetable like green chilies, then the capsicum, then the potato, onion, tomato, then we have lemon and the ginger. The next group which we made is the fruit, and here we have fruit, the mango, the orange and the grapes. Next group is the oil group. Here I have the mustard oil, here mustard oil, and here is the soybean oil. Next is the pulses. Here we have some pulses, chickpea, then the mixed dal, then here is the moong, half full moong, urad, then black grams, then the kidney beans, chana dal. Next group is grains or the cereals. We have bajra, we can say millets, then we have rice and the wheat. These are the grains. Next is the herbs. In herbs we can add the spinach, coriander leaves or the mint leaves. In nuts we can take the groundnuts or the walnuts or cashew nuts. In the beans column we can go for the beans. Next, the spices. In spices we have cloves, bay leaves, then cumin seeds, then turmeric, then the chili powder. In beverages column we can go for the green tea or the coffee and the tea leaves. The next question is, which plant product is used to make food sweet to taste? We use sugar or jaggery to make food sweet to taste. Chini ya gud. Next question is, does sugar, jaggery fit into any group? No, because we get it from sugarcane. We can make a separate group, but we will have no other ingredients to put along with them. The next question is, which parts of the plant provide us food? We use edible parts of the plants as food, like roots of carrot, sweet potato, stem of lotus, sugarcane, leaves of mint, tea, bark यानी छाल, bark of cinnamon, dalchini, flowers of cloves, broccoli. I want to tell you one amazing fact. Just have a look. What are these? These are cauliflowers. We have seen only in the white color, but the cauliflower usually have the orange, the green and the purple varieties too. Here the cloves means the lawn, broccoli जो green color की गोभी होती है, seeds of wheat, coffee, grams, and fruits of tomato, mango. My next question is, how is the use of tea and spinach leaves different? Spinach यानी पालक. Leaves of spinach are usually cooked and eaten. जो spinach यानी पालक की जो पत्तियां होती हैं उनको हम कुक करते हैं और फिर खाते हैं. But tea leaves from plants cannot be used as such. But tea leaves को हम पकाकर नहीं खाते हैं. They are taken to factories and processed to convert them into tea that we can. Respected parents, please help your child in doing S1 of page number 14. First is the complete the table. Here the items are given and here is which part of the plant is used. Means ये इनके नाम दिए, ये क्या चीज है जो हम यूज करते हैं, और यही जो फूड आइटम्स है इनको लिखना है कि वेजिटेबल है या फ्रूट है या स्पाइसेस है या बेवरेजेस है, हर्ब है या नट्स है. फर्स्ट है ब्रोकली. ब्रोकली हरी गोभी होती है. आपने ये बताना है कि ब्रोकली का कौन सा पार्ट आप खाते हो. तो ठीक है. नेक्स्ट ये क्या चीज है. नेक्स्ट सेसमी ऑयल. सेसमी का मतलब होता है तिल. तिल का जो ऑयल होता है उसको आप क्या पार्ट खाते हो एंड वो क्या चीज है. पिस्ताशियो. पिस्ताशियो होता है पिस्ता. पिस्ता का आप क्या चीज खाते हो. एंड नेक्स्ट इज वो क्या है. नेक्स्ट इज बेसिल और तुलसी. तुलसी आप क्या खाते हो तुलसी का. एंड तुलसी क्या है. मीन्स वेजिटेबल है, फ्रूट है, स्पाइस है, बेवरेज है, हर्ब है, नट है, ऑयल है. नेक्स्ट इज द कॉफी. एंड सिनेमन यानी दालचीनी. दालचीनी का कौन सा पार्ट आप खाते हो. एंड देन यू हैव टू राइट द कि वो क्या चीज है. नेक्स्ट व्हाट इज द रोल ऑफ अ सैफरन इन अ ड्रिंक. सैफरन होता है केसर. केसर का एक ड्रिंक में क्या यूज है. नेक्स्ट द थर्ड वन इज हाउ इज यूजिंग शुगर केन स्टेम टू मेक शुगर डिफरेंट फ्रॉम यूजिंग लोटस स्टेम टू मेक अ डिश. जो शुगर केन है उसकी जो स्टेम होती है उससे हम शुगर बनाते हैं, और जो लोटस स्टेम होती है उससे भी हम डिश बनाते हैं. क्या लोटस स्टेम कमल ककड़ी को बोलते हैं. तो कमल ककड़ी जो स्टेम होती है और जो शुगर केन जो स्टेम होती है उनमें क्या डिफरेंस है. जस्ट हैव अ लुक टुवर्ड दिस पिक्चर. व्हाट इज इट. क्या है ये. गन्ना. शुगर केन. यस. नाउ टेल मी वन थिंग. तो पता है ये क्या चीज है. ये हर्ब है या शर्ब है या क्लाइंबर, क्रीपर या प्लांट. कितना बड़ा प्लांट. क्या है ये. और ट्री. नो, द शुगर केन इज अ ग्रास. ये एक घास है. स्टूडेंट्स प्लीज रीड पेज नंबर 8 of content book. Next, your homework is today that you have to do practice question number 1, 2 and 3 of page number 12 in notebook. Question number 1 is which parts of the plants are these. Turnip, shalgam, ginger, adrak, cabbage, pata gobi, broccoli, hari gobi. The second question is while eating potato chips, Ram asked Mahesh, where does the oil for frying potatoes chips come from? What did Mahesh say? The third question is why do we use saffron yani kesar and rose water yani gulab jal in our food? Where do they come from? I hope you all have enjoyed today's class. Let's sum up what we have done today. Come. Food from plants. The groups which we have made are nuts, beverages, cereals, pulses, oil, spices, herbs, sweet, vegetables, and the fruit. I want to tell you one more amazing fact regarding apple. Apple सबको पसंद है. An apple a day keeps the doctor away. एप्पल की इतनी सारी वैरायटीज हैं इस पूरे देश में, दुनिया में, कि अगर आप 27 इयर्स तक लगातार रोज एक एप्पल की वैरायटी खाओगे ना, एक, तो आपको 27 इयर्स लगेंगे सारी टेस्ट करने में, और एवरी ईयर न्यू 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 वैरायटीज बनती जा रही है. अमेजिंग है ना. So, dear students, please do your work very nicely in a good handwriting. Thank you and have a nice day.